can't focus on what needs to get done. I'm on notice, hoping that you don't run. You think I'm tepid, but I'll miss that.
I'm just gonna start off using NYX's SFX cream color in white to make my skin white. And I've already moisturized the skin to make the product glide easier. Then I'm just gonna lock everything in place using NYX's SFX set. And I'm gonna prime the eyes to make the eyeshadow stick better. Using the multi-finish palette from NYX again in Electric, I'm taking that matte blue with a fluffy brush and putting it on the outside corner of the eye and blending it in the crease. Taking a peach shadow as well and putting it in the crease, blending them together using a fluffy brush and giving intensity to the outside corner of the eye using a black shadow and a small stiff brush. Also putting it on the lower lash line and taking an iridescent peach shadow and applying it on the moving lid. Taking highlighter from Kat Von D, adding it in the tear duct, and taking Pixie Diamond Dew from Lime Crime and applying it over the peach, lining the eyes with a felt tip liner. Highlighting the cheekbones, filling in the brows using Tame and Frame from NYX, brushing out any excess product and any leftover white. Then I'm using the same palette and I'm taking the matte fuchsia color and I'm gonna start sketching out the hollows of the eyes of my skeleton. And I'm using a smaller, stiffer brush to have control. Giving it more dimension, I'm using a black shadow, starting from underneath the brow and blending it downwards. Applying it under the brow as well. Taking the same baby blue shadow, I'm applying it all around the forehead, the cheekbones, and the jawline. Applying the same pink as well to make them all tie together. And I also did the same, enhancing the bones on the chest area and on the neck. I'm gonna start sketching out the nostrils using the felt tip liner. Filling them in with the same pink. And giving some extra dimension with the black shadow. Taking Thistle from Lime Crime, I'm just gonna line the lips. Taking Cupid, applying it on the inner lip and blending them out with a small brush to get a nice ombre. Then I'm gonna start sketching out the teeth.
Puse los frenos para que no arranques con las mismas mentiras que todos ya saben.
And also the cheekbones. Take the pink with a small brush and start applying it underneath the line I just sketched. Give it depth with a little bit of black shadow and apply some extra lips until the point where the cheekbones rise. And I'm going to stick some pearls all around the brows and the eyes where the hollows I've sketched. And I'm taking these little flowers and I'm going to start gluing them with eyelash glue. Apply my mascara. And then I'm taking these colorful pearls and applying them just around the flowers, applying some of that glitter on the lips and blending them out using my fingers. And this is your final look. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram.